you can't bet your life it rains. I try to give a party, and the guy upstairs complains. I guess I go through life just catching cold and missing trains. Everything happens to me. I never miss a thing. I've had the measles and the mumps, and every time I plan is my partner's always trumps. I guess I'm just a fool who never loses before he jumps. Everything happens to me. At first I thought that you could break these chains for me, that love would turn the trick to end despair. But now I just can't afford this head that thinks for me. So I've mortgaged all my castles in the air. Oh, I telegraphed and phoned, sent an airmail special too. Your answer was goodbye, there was even postage due. I fell in love just once, and then it had to be